Welcome to Digitize. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to personalize your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra like a pro. If you've just unboxed this beast of a phone and want to make it truly yours, you're in the right place. We're going to explore all the tips, tricks, and hidden features that'll help you customize your S25 Ultra to perfection. From home screen setups to advanced settings, and even some pro-level tweaks you might not know about, this video has it all. So, grab your S25 Ultra and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the home screen. The S25 Ultra comes with Samsung's One UI, which is incredibly customizable. But to really make it pop, you'll want to start with a fresh wallpaper. Now, you can always use the default wallpapers, but why not go for something more unique? Head over to the Settings app, tap on Wallpaper and Style, and you'll find a ton of options. You can even download high-resolution wallpapers from the Galaxy Store, or use your own photos. Pro tip: if you want a dynamic look, try using a live wallpaper. They add a cool, animated effect that'll make your home screen stand out. Next up, let's talk about widgets. Widgets are a great way to get quick access to your favorite apps and information. To add a widget, long press on the home screen, tap on Widgets, and you'll see a list of options. You can add weather widgets, calendar widgets, music players, and even smart home controls. Arrange them in a way that makes sense to you. For example, I like to have my calendar and weather widget at the top, so I can quickly check my schedule and the forecast for the day. And don't forget, you can resize most widgets to fit your layout perfectly. Now, let's talk about icons. The S25 Ultra allows you to change the icon pack to match your style. Head back to the Wallpaper and Styles section in Settings, and you'll find an option to change the icon shape and color. You can go for a minimalist look with simple, monochrome icons, or something more vibrant and colorful. If you want even more options, you can download third-party icon packs from the Galaxy Store. Just search for icon packs, and you'll find a ton of options to choose from. Once you've downloaded one, you can apply it directly from the Wallpaper and Style menu. Alright, let's move on to the always-on display. This is one of my favorite features on the S25 Ultra. It allows you to see important information like the time, date, and notifications without having to wake up the phone. But did you know you can customize it too? Go to Settings, tap on Lock Screen, and then Always on Display. From here, you can choose different clock styles, add a custom image, or even use a GIF. You can also set it to show notifications, battery status, and even a music player. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in personalizing your phone. Next up, let's talk about edge panels. If you're not using this feature, you're missing out. Edge panels are these handy little menus that you can swipe in from the side of the screen. They give you quick access to your favorite apps, contacts, and tools. To enable it, go to Settings, tap on Display, and then Edge Panels. You can choose from different panels like Apps, Tasks, and Clipboard. I personally love the Apps Edge because it lets me access my most used apps without having to go back to the home screen. You can also customize the size and transparency of the panels to make them blend seamlessly with your screen. Now, let's talk about themes. If you really want to go all out with customization, you'll want to check out the Theme Park app. This is a hidden gem that lets you create your own custom themes. You can change the color scheme, fonts, and even the notification sounds. To get started, download the Theme Park app from the Galaxy Store. Once you've installed it, open the app and start creating your theme. You can choose from a variety of presets or create something completely unique. Once you're happy with your theme, apply it and watch your phone transform. Alright, let's take it up a notch with the Good Lock app. This is another must-have for anyone who wants to personalize their S25 Ultra like a pro. Good Lock is a suite of tools that lets you tweak almost every aspect of your phone's interface. You can customize the lock screen, change the navigation bar, and even add new features like multi-window support. To get started, download the Good Lock app from the Galaxy Store. Once you've installed it, explore the different modules and see what you can do. My personal favorite is the Quick Start module, which lets you customize the Quick Settings panel. You can change the icons, colors, and even the layout. It's a game changer for making your phone truly yours. Now, let's talk about Bixby routines. This is a powerful feature that lets you automate tasks based on your habits and preferences. For example, you can set up a routine that turns on Do Not Disturb mode when you're at work, or one that opens your favorite music app when you connect your headphones. To set up a routine, go to Settings, tap on Advanced Features, and then Bixby Routines. From here, you can create a new routine by choosing a trigger and an action. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to make your phone work smarter, not harder. All right, let's move on to sound customization. The S25 Ultra has an amazing sound system, but did you know you can customize it too? The Sound Assistant app lets you control the volume for individual apps, set different sound profiles, and even change the sound balance. To get started, download the Sound Assistant app from the Galaxy Store. Once you've installed it, you can tweak the settings to your liking. I like to set different volume levels for my music, videos, and games, so I always get the perfect sound experience. Finally, let's talk about the camera. The S25 Ultra has one of the best cameras on the market. But did you know you can customize the camera settings too? Go to the Camera app, tap on the Settings icon, and you'll find a ton of options. You can change the resolution, enable or disable features like Scene Optimizer, and even customize the shooting modes. I like to set up a quick access menu for my most used settings, so I can switch between them on the fly. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference when you're trying to capture the perfect shot. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to personalizing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra like a PRO. From home screen setups to advanced settings and even some hidden features, we've covered it all. Now it's your turn to take these tips and make your S25 Ultra truly yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. And as always, let me know in the comments how you've personalized your S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.